Life often feels like a relentless treadmill in a gray, structured world. We move forward out of habit, yet we never truly seem to arrive. Meet Elizabeth. She is successful and composed, but lately, she feels like she is watching her own life through a rain-streaked window. The autopilot life is a subtle trap. It starts with a worker staring blankly at a screen, eating a hurried lunch at their desk. It continues the moment we wake up. We reach for our phones in the dark, scrolling mindlessly before the day has even truly begun. The cost of this routine is heavy. Our spontaneous joy begins to dwindle, much like a battery icon, slowly flashing red and going empty. We save the best for later. Beautiful mugs sit dusty behind glass, while we settle for chipped ones, waiting for a special occasion that never comes. Everything changed for Elizabeth during a trip to New York. She and her husband stood at the end of a massive, winding taxi line. The atmosphere was exhausting. Hundreds of people waited in the damp cold, following the rules of the queue, without question or creative thought. Then, Elizabeth had a breakthrough. She looked up and saw a glowing subway sign just across the street. Why were they all still waiting? They stepped out of line. It was a small shift, a minor break in the expected routine. But the energy in the air immediately changed. Suddenly, the world turned vibrant. The muted tones of the terminal were replaced by the warm, golden lights of the underground station. They navigated the station with ease, moving with a newfound sense of purpose. The script of the trip had been rewritten in a moment. That one choice created a domino effect. By breaking the initial inertia, the rest of their journey unfolded with unexpected beauty and ease. They arrived at their hotel early and enjoyed a sunny breakfast on the terrace. The world felt open, fresh, and full of possibility. Instead of the usual tourist paths, they discovered a charming, hidden restaurant tucked away in a quiet alley. A secret reward for their detour. They walked through a city park, moving briskly and feeling adventurous. Their cognitive energy had been renewed by a simple change in direction. This is cognitive renewal. When we break inertia, our minds light up. We transition from a state of doing to a state of being. Elizabeth felt empowered and light. The weight of the autopilot life had lifted, replaced by a sense of agency and delight in the small things. You don't need a trip to New York to find this joy. It starts with an audit of your daily habits. Where can you shift? Try taking a new route home today. See a different street. Notice a different tree. And let your brain wake up to the novelty. Use the good plates for a simple Tuesday dinner. Stop waiting for the perfect moment to enjoy the beauty you already own. Turn off the phone an hour earlier. Trade the digital noise for the quiet presence of your own thoughts or the company of a loved one. These minor changes are the keys to a more vibrant life. They signal to your brain that you are awake, alive, and in control. Joy isn't found in the grand gestures, but in the small shifts of our daily routine. It's time to step out of the line. Rediscover your energy. Renew your spirit. Remember that joy is always just one small shift away. What will yours be?